it's me, Emma, and you're about to see a bunch of sound effect videos I did at my friend's house on a sleepover. So if you see like hair and stuff, that's my friend. I made this by myself. And I'm just like estimating where the sound effect is and pretending that I'm doing it. So hope you enjoy, and yeah, it's pretty funny. Like if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, subscribe if you like me, and comment if you want to comment on my video. Okay, so here it is. Hope you like it. You've just watched Sound Effect Mania. Yeah, because I just remembered I named it that. So yeah, mini magnetic shoe. Mini magnetic shoe. It's broken now. Okay. So yeah, hope you liked it. Like and rate, subscribe. Bye.